And she hit some buttons, obviously. She went to the calendar. Come and do your appointment. She's looking. Look at her. She doesn't like that thing. Take my nail. Take my nail.
Leave her.
Take my nail. There you go. No, we'll delete that. There you go. She opened the calendar again.
Back to it. Ow!
Well, don't put that there.
You have to get rid of this.
No, you
Oh,
don't.
shit, on YouTube.
Oh, you want to watch YouTube?
Oh my god, now it's
Look at her.
Aculus.
Oh, you don't need to learn that yet. It'd be nice.